We are now in Paracas. We're gonna go ride a go-kart around the town.
So actually we're gonna tour around the Paracas National Preserve area. That's where we're going.
We're going with Sheshi. Oh, Yayi! Oh, Alex has it. So we have to pay $11. I mean 11 soles for adult entrance fee. So ito na guys, nagre-ready na kami. Fasten my seatbelts. Si Sheshi yung driver. Sa harapan ko sila Tony. Tapos si Ali at saka si Alex naman sa kabila. Hindi kami magkakasunod kasi nga may iba pa kaming kagrupo na nag-join din. So medyo marami-rami kami. Magtutour kami dito sa Paracas. Kung napapansin nyo guys, naka-cover yung ano ni Ali kasi nga maalikabok guys kasi medyo sandy yung area na to. Malapit kami sa dagat. So yan, let's go guys. Mag-tour around tayo dito sa Paracas. Let's go! Napapasigaw ako dito kasi ang bumpy ng ride tapos nagko-cross kami ng kalsada. At ayan na nga guys, nakikita nyo. Puro buhangin guys. Sa tabi ng dagat yan. Maganda yung unit dito.
11 soles
guys,
for adult,
dito
no?
ng entrance fee na
11 soles that we're gonna pay right here.
Yeah.
And 3 soles for
Our first
kids.
stops guys is
It's not included with your
Yumaki
payment for
Beach
this.
or Playa Yumaki. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this is within the Paracas National Preserve. Apparently, this is known for its untamed and dramatic landscape, high dunes, and strong roaring waves.
Oh my God, it's the Pogita, no? And what? It's baho, ha? Oh my God, ang baho. Their collections from the beach.
Malakas yung alon ng tubig nila dito. But we're gonna see if the water is too cold or not. Mga ano dito, clams dito or mussels. Pero maliliit.
How's the water, Han? Is it cold?
Alright, gracias beach. We're leaving. Woo! Napaka-bumpy ng ride guys at saka super ano talaga, dirt road yung daan. Mag-stop na naman kami dito sa another side na may ka-ocean. At ang ganda rin ng view nila dito. Puro mga ano dagat at saka puro buhangin.
Our next stop on this tour is the Mirador Istmo. This one gives you the panoramic view of the Pacific Ocean.
Let's go, Mama.
At yan yung mga kasama namin guys. Sobrang windy at ang lamig guys kasi medyo bahapon na tsaka medyo super foggy din. Pero ang ganda ng view, nakaka-relax din naman at model tayo dyan. O, diba? Chat.
At itong next stop naman natin ay yung tinatawag nilang Playa Roja or pulang dagat kasi nga medyo red yung sand at saka yung sa dagat area pag tinitingnan mo. So, ayan, nandito na tayo guys.
Another stop right here.
And if you look on the left side, that side of the ocean, they called it the Playa Roja kasi it looks like red.
Alex!
Alright guys, it's time to go back in the downtown area of Paracas. Let's go, and I hope you guys enjoy this mini tour of our Paracas trip in Peru.
At sa part na ito guys, medyo napagalitan kami kasi kumakaripas kami. Dapat sunod-sunod kami niyan. Pero kumakaripas na kami, nakikipagkarirahan na kami. Dito na nga, balik na tayo sa downtown ng Paracas, Peru.
Cállate si puedo.